Making ground uses the highest quality resins that have been used in binder systems since the mid-1990s. Over that time, the systems have demonstrated their quality, durability, and ease of maintenance. This video aims to provide clients, specifiers, and installers with guidance on the basic requirements for the installation of our resin-bound paving system. Making Ground's resin-bound system is supplied in pre-weighed kits. Each kit comprises of two basic elements: the resin binder, which comes in two components, part A and part B, and the pre-weighed aggregate mix. The first step is to prepare the work area, and for the best performance, the system should be installed onto a stable substrate, such as asphalt or concrete. Ensure the substrate is clean, free from latents and any contamination that may impair the adhesion of the system. The substrate must also be dry and fully cured prior to the installation of the resin-bound system. If installing onto a concrete base, you will also need to consider our concrete primer. A perimeter edge should be installed to contain the resin-bound surface. An edging or termination detail such as a metal profile, curb, natural stone banding or wall can be used. There are 6 easy steps to applying our resin-bound surfacing. Start by adding the dry aggregate mix to the forced action pan mixer. Then mix component part A of the resin binder using a drill and paddle until uniform. This should be done prior to the addition of the part B component. Add the part B component of the resin binder to the pre-mixed part A component and continue to mix the part A and B components together for 1 to 2 minutes until you have a smooth, uniform consistency. While the forced action pan mixer is running with the dry aggregate mix, the mixed resin binder should be immediately added and mixed for 1 to 2 minutes or until homogeneous. All of the aggregate should be uniformly coated with the resin binder. The mixed material, or resin-bound compound, is immediately spread evenly across the surface at the required depth using level bars, screed box, rakes and trowels. Care should be taken to ensure that the correct thickness is applied across the application area. The surface is finished with a hand trowel to a smooth finish. Pressure must be applied to the resin-bound mix whilst troweling to ensure adequate compression of the required mechanical properties. We recommend that the trowels and tools are cleaned throughout the application process with a suitable release agent, such as xylene or white spirit. This will remove any excess material and allows the top-facing stones to be knitted together, giving an even, smooth surface. In addition, here are a few more points to consider. Check weather forecasts in advance. It is vital that the uncured resin is not exposed to rain, hail, wind, debris or humid conditions during the curing process. Any form of water or moisture must be avoided. In cooler weather, we recommend that you add the prescribed dose of catalyst to the resin binder mixture to stabilize curing times, as low temperatures can prolong curing if left untreated. Protect termination points as necessary using duct tape or similar, to prevent spillage of mixed resin and aggregate sticking to other surfaces. Ensure that all aggregates are fully coated in resin and all mixes are consistently mixed for an equal amount of time. Always ensure that a wet edge is maintained. Joints between mixes will be visible unless the older mix is still workable. The finished resin-bound surface can also be broadcast with our anti-slip material to achieve even greater anti-slip properties. Allow the surfacing to cure in accordance with the recommendations of the technical data sheets. During the curing period, no disturbance or trafficking is permitted. The system technical data must be followed and only suitable mixers, tools and equipment used. Tools and equipment must be cleaned with a suitable solvent-based cleaner, which will remove uncured resin and contribute in achieving a higher quality finish. For more information and to view our other products, visit www.making-ground.com.